All right, welcome back to another live stream. And as soon as we got off the last live stream, we've got Shiba Inu pumping, so why not talk about it here? Up 8% out of nowhere. Huge candlesticks here. We've got 30-minute sticks showing massive volume coming in, so we're actually going to dial this back into the 15-minute. We'll give everybody a minute to pop in here. This will be a little bit different than the last two live streams. We're going to do a lot more of these short, concise live streams, crypto live Q&As, crypto breaking news, live updates, those sort of live streams. So we're just wanted to come out and hang out with everybody and see what's going on here. SHIB is pumping like crazy, so welcome in everybody. I'm going to make sure everybody gets their proper love here. What's up, Johnny Music? Mike, how you doing? Infinite, Kravitz, Trina, Julio, Adrian, Coleman. What happens with Shiba Inu 0.01? Everyone will pull out, wreck the coin. I don't think so. I mean, at that point, everybody's made a ton too, Coleman. So, what's up, Agnel? How you doing, man? Loving Shiba. Nice. Yeah, this looks awesome right now. Make sure you hit the like button on your way in if you could. Share this out with some friends. I've got to. I'm going to send this out as a tweet too, real quick. I'm going to share this with everybody. That would be great if you could spread the word. I just sent out the tweet. Would appreciate that tremendously. So really cool. In our private Discord, we're going to do more live AMAs over there too. So if you want to join our Patreon page, that link is down in the description here. First week of the month, so great time to hop in and join a great community. Nobody likes to be alone on this crypto journey, so come over and join us. Let's see here. What else is going in live chat? Infinite, thank you for the super chat, man. Sold all my SHIB and bought Satama. Well, look at SHIB now, man. Look at this. Some massive pump here. This is awesome to see. Look at the volume coming in here. These are 5-minute sticks, but Satama's looking good too, man. So I think you're in good shape. Either way, you got to make the best decision for you. So what's up, Moon? How you doing? Oh my SHIB, holy SHIB. What's up, Michael? Michael and Michael. Mike from Green Bay, Wisconsin. Mike Evans, what's up, man? Keep up the great work. We all thank you. Appreciate that, Mike. Michael Magger, how you doing, man? Institutional money? I think so, Trina. Yeah, I think so. This is, I don't think retail money could do this in a short amount of time. Let it create new lower highs. That's it. I'm down with that. Me too, Adrian. Me too. What's up, Ramin? Yeah, this is awesome to see. Out of nowhere, SHIB just skyrocketing here. So, and we can actually look at the Ether scan in real time to see if there are new holders. So let's refresh this. I don't think we're going to see a lot of new holders here. I think this is more or less. Yeah, there's not a ton of new holders. We're at 648,000. Call it 649. What's up, Everto? Tyler, you're live again. What's going on? This is what's going on, man. Look at SHIB right now. Why is it boosting so much? This is what happens. Now a little bit of a sell-off here in the 5 minutes, so we'll see what happens here. We're watching 5-minute sticks, but the volume coming in is just huge. Huge amounts of volume. Vasco, what's up, man? Let's dial this back so we can see a little bit clearer here. 30-minute. All right, so here are your 30-minute sticks. All the way up to the 7-6 level out of nowhere. How you doing, Christine? Took profit on some of my SHIB during the pump about a month ago to buy Sol. Paid out good. Nice, Alan. Was able to get some crow. Nice, Junior. Here's your 15-minute look. Volume up 7%. Yep. Let's see. Price change, trading volume. Let's refresh this. Yep, trading volume up 7%. Price change about 5 or 6%. This is nice. It's good to see. Every Saturday, SHIB does something. Yeah, Luis, it seems like it, doesn't it? Does seem like that. This is pumping out of nowhere, too. Really no rhyme or reason. But I'm loving it. SHIB looking good. Yeah, Christine. Rooting for SHIB. Hope it goes to 1 cent. Doing very well. Nice, Vasco. We just need SHIB to hold steady at the 8 levels. I think so, too, Tyler. That would be nice. If we get back up there and then just consolidate there, I'd be cool with that. Let's go to the 1 hour here real quick. Look at that pump. That's crazy. So this is hour number 2 that it's working on here. So we'll see how high this can pump here. Crazy volume coming in. Do you think it's due to the Webull listing or burn? Probably a little bit of both, but I think it's just institutional money. You know, what's really interesting is, and we got to get some more information on this, and I think time will tell, but really, what is the purpose of Coinbase Institutional with SHIB? Like, what really is going on there? Why Coinbase Institutional rather than the retail side, right? So we'll have to kind of dig into that. If somebody wants to kind of take a look at Coinbase Institutional, if they give you any stats, I don't know if they do, in terms of like volume within Coinbase Institutional, that would be kind of interesting to find out, you know. So it got as high as the 768 level here. We're still at 758, so we're still hovering here. Bouncing back quickly. We're looking at 1 hour sticks. Welcome in, everybody. We're watching this live together. Robinhood leaks. That would be nice, Tyler, huh? That would be legit. How about this article? I was going to talk about this in an update, but I figured just go live instead. So if you must buy Shiba Inu, do it on a Friday. Might just be the blue-collar cryptocurrency. So Investor Place, they always do a lot of stuff on SHIB. Let's see here. Shiba Inu is a weekend warrior. If you're still insistent that you've got a reliable system to profit off speculative cryptos, even after my glaring admission that there's no meritocracy involved in the blockchain markets, then go ahead and gamble on SHIB. It's your money and you're responsible for it. However, being that I try to be a classy guy, I'm not going to wave you off without giving you some tactical insights. If you're hell-bent on investing in SHIB and nothing anybody says will back you down, then at least hear this. Buy SHIB coins on Friday and sell by Monday. Interesting. So you can see kind of what they've done here. Look at the action, the data presented here. Saturday and Sunday seem to be good days for SHIB. Wednesday as well. Wednesday's a good day. So these are all the positive days. This is interesting research. It's interesting data. So there's your positive days. Saturday, Sunday, both positive. Interesting. We'll come back to this in a little bit. Let's go watch the charts. New money, it's not new investors coming in, so I think it's just people who've been in SHIB continuing to add, and probably institutional money here. So you can see the volume. Look at the volume increase there. That is massive. What's up, Manon? How you doing? Armando, what's up, man? Also, subscribe to the channel if you're new. If you're just popping in, would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Hang out with us for a while here on the live stream. Good morning to everybody out there. Hit the like button too. It's totally free to do. Really helps us out tremendously. Pushes it out to more people. Helps us out with that algorithm. So please hit that like button if you can. Let's see how many likes we got. 49 likes. We got to get that up. We got to get to 100 likes. 100 likes and we'll hang out for a little longer. How about that? 100 likes, and we're going to hang out for a little while, watch this pump. Oh, appreciate the super chat, too. Infinite. I don't know if I thanked you for that. Thank you, man. They need to stop selling, just buy and hold. Yeah, that'd be nice, right? Still trucking. People like to make those quick gains, though. Today is the day. Well, it's a good day, that's for sure, on this big pump. Just like, thank you. Tyler, can 5 years happen tomorrow? The HODL game is ripping me apart. Yeah, Tyler, it's tough, especially when you're embedded in it all day, every day. But always keep that long-term vision, man, because I have to keep reminding myself this. Crypto is so new. I mean, we are so early to this game. And once the big money like institutions come in, and you're already seeing it. I mean, you're already seeing Grayscale Trust. You're already seeing the banks get involved. They know that they can't wait much longer. That crypto is here, and you're either going to move with it or get left behind. So we're already here. So just remind yourself of that fact. You know, we're early to the space, certainly early. Let's check out the 1 minute sticks here. All right, so this is the 1 minute action on SHIB. So this is where the big pump started happening here. So we're watching the 1 minutes here. Do you think personally you can make 500,000 out of SHIB? That's going to be tough. That's going to be tough. Obviously, we've got the Patreon too, linked down in the description. We'd love for you to come and join us. I'll let people who are currently in our private membership tell you how great it is in the chat. So if you're in the Discord, Patreon community, if you could put something in chat how it's kind of changed your perspective, how it's helped grow your portfolio. I know Mr. Junior said he was down 1,000 before he joined our Patreon. Now he's up a few thousand. So that's the kind of community we're building. We're helping each other grow our portfolios. I don't have all the answers, but we've got a lot of smart, intelligent people in our community who can help you. And of course, I'll gladly take a look at your portfolio for you, give you buy and sell trade alerts, hot weekly crypto alerts as well. So I'll let people in the private community tell you about their experiences too. But we'd love to have you come join. Link is down in the description. Let me know if you have any questions about that. All right, let's see what happens here. SHIB coming down a little bit here off the high point of 768. And as Zay's saying, yeah, we're about to start utilizing the voice for a possible Discord AMA. We're going to be doing a lot more of that, especially on the weekends, hanging out, just talking shop, general chat, and talking all things crypto. So if you want private access, we're all just hanging out, chatting in the Discord. We're going to be doing a lot more AMAs. You can get that for as low as $10 per month. You could be on the inside of things. If you go with the insider package for $20, you're going to get a lot more alerts. And I'll show you how a winning portfolio looks. I've got a group portfolio that's in the green right now. Every asset's in the green that I've added to it, so pretty pumped about that. Saitama, yeah, a lot of people want me to do Saitama. I might have to do a video out on it. I got to do my little research on it myself still. I know a little bit, but not a ton. But I might put out my thoughts on it in a video coming up soon. Should crypto coins grow faster now since crypto is more mainstream than it once was? I think so, 100%, Coleman. And I think the crypto winters are going to be less winter-like, less cold, if you will. I think we're not going to have those long winters that we've had in the past. I think there's just too much money in crypto now. There's too many people invested for us to go through those long period of winters. Of course, we're going to have downturns in the market always. We're going to have bearish markets and bullish markets, but yeah, crypto in 2021 is completely different than crypto in 2017, let's say, right? If we subscribe to the idea that, you know, crypto moves in 4-year cycles, which I was reading a lot about crypto, the 4-year cycles, and there's a chance we could be breaking out of those 4-year cycles because of all of the new money coming into crypto. That'll be interesting to watch. You know, we need another full cycle to kind of see, but I'm going to ask Todd about that too. I'll have Todd, our financial advisor, on the channel, talk more about that too. Of course, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so just for entertainment, informational purposes only. I always like to remind people of that. I am not a professional. I'm just, you know, somebody on YouTube talking about crypto, and we're having fun doing it. So do a video on RLY. Okay. I'll have to look into that. Sitting here in Thailand, have a girl with me. Can you say hi to Nooch? To Nooch. Nooch or Nutch? Hey, Red, how you doing? Nooch, how are we? Big night. Yeah, looking great. Nice, Christine, will do. I like DCA in the bull and bear markets. Nice, Felix. Unwrenchable, good morning, man. We need one more big bear cycle so I can buy. Nice. All right, how many likes are we at? I got to flip over here because I don't have my dual screens. Oh, I think we're over 100 likes. Nice. Let's keep them coming. Keep the likes rolling in. Appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I don't know if you're just bouncing in here for the first time. I know that YouTube algorithm pushes this out to new people a lot. So here on the channel, we talk about all things crypto all the time, whether it's Cardano, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Bitcoin, you name it. We cover it in live streams and in videos. So join our community. We'd love to have you. Maddox performing well too, up 13%. I don't know if y'all saw that. That's looking great. ICP's doing some work. Chili's up 5%. Nice. Axie Infinity killing it, crushing it. Flow is up a little bit too. All right, so it looks like we're consolidating here, at least in the 1 minute, at the 7.5 level. I'd be okay with that. I'd be okay with that. Weeble listed. Yep, that's it, Prince. That's one big reason. Lawrence, good question. Mostly crypto, but we do have some stock channels as well, and there are people invested in stocks. I know Trina is in stocks. I know she's always talking to, in those channels. We can add channels too, Lawrence, so if you come in and you want to talk about a particular stock, just message me privately or go to our suggestions channel, and you can suggest that we add a channel. I'll actually show you what the Discord looks like real quick to give you a glimpse inside our private community here real quick. I'll kind of show you what that looks like. I'll give you a little sneak peek. How about that? A little sneak peek inside the Discord. So I can kind of show you what you'd be getting into if you want to join up. Of course, you can do that as low as $10 per month, just the Discord access. And this is kind of what we got here. So let's see here. Click this. And these are all our text channels on the side. We just got done with a voice chat. We were in the general chat just hanging out. You can come in there when I'm on there. You can ask me any questions you want. But we've got, channels for all the big, cryptos. And we've got a Tesla chat in here. We've got stocks right there. So we do talk about stocks. Yeah, for sure. Taking profits. We got a channel for just about everything in here. So it's a great place to be. We'd love to have you join up. And if you're somebody new to crypto and you're just beginning, it's a great place to learn. That is for sure. It's a one-stop shop. And don't hesitate to ask us any questions. Somebody's always there to help. So SHIB, crazy volume, loving it. This is what we needed. This is what we needed today. This is good. Good to see. XRP, Tyler, yeah, I'm with you now. I'm part of the community. Boca tax channel. Yeah, we do have a tax channel. Yeah, we do have a tax channel too. So if you want information about how the taxes work, taxes for U.S. investors, we've got that too. Oh, actually, we've got this channel, video and live streams. And I forgot to tell everybody we're live. There we go. SHIB, Shiba Inu is pumping. That way everybody knows. You think it will reach 800 in less than 1 hour? It could, Bellamy. Let's see where it's topping out right now. It's just consolidating here at the 7.5 right now. I like this. I like the consolidation. Maybe a little consolidation period here before another big pop. That would be perfect. I'll take that. So a lot of things happening in our Discord. You could see. I got to get to some mentions here. I think that if you could show us how to fully utilize. Zay, I know you're in the live stream too. Yeah, I've got to look more into it. And I'm looking at the Nano Ledger and the Ledger X as well. So for offline storage. So yeah, we've got text channels for just about everything. And then you private message me over here on the side. I can answer your questions. You could send me screenshots of your portfolio. Be happy to get back to you on that stuff too. So, of course, this link is down there. Let me put this in the chat too. Make that a little easier on everybody. Put that over in the chat. What's up, everybody? Welcome in. Hopefully you're getting some value here out of the stream. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you haven't already. That'd be great. You're seeing how our live chat looks. Pin message. Hopefully I pinned the right one. It's moving too fast. Okay, I think it pinned. Oh no, I pinned the wrong one. I pinned the wrong one. There we go. Replace pinned with that. There we go. That should be the right one. I think that should be. We'll see. What's up, Chris? There it is. There's the Patreon linked in the top chat. There you go. Chris, Austin uploads now. You're live. Yeah, Chris. What's up? What's up, David? Gerard, how you doing? Everyone hit the like button. Yeah, appreciate that, man. Steve, SHIB is going up. It is, indeed. It is pumping this morning. Up 7.65% right now. We're getting a bunch of SHIB people in here, too. So what is up, everybody? If you're new, welcome in. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button for us. Watching this together. So going back to this article, this is interesting. So if you're going to invest in SHIB, these are the days that SHIB usually goes up. This is interesting. Check this out. So according to pricing data compiled from Yahoo Finance, props to the fine team there for providing downloadable Excel files. The data below represents the daily percentage gain and loss averages by day of the week for Shiba Inu. Now, how long is this data? I mean, obviously, the more longitudinal it is, the better data we have here. I don't know if they say that. For whatever reason, they don't say how long they've looked at this, but I'm guessing they've went back all the way since its inception. That would be nice. But these are the days where SHIB is up. Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday. What's today? Saturday. So, makes sense. The worst days are Friday. Friday and Tuesday and Thursday. Monday's kind of a flat day. Wednesday's a good day. That's the best day. I don't know how much of that has to do with, you know, was May 10th a Wednesday when we saw the crazy pump? I don't know. SHIB dynamic presents opportunities and risks. Shiba Inu performs well over the weekend on this contrast with. Yeah. So CNBC put out that stuff, you know, observations that cryptos tend to crash on the weekends, but not SHIB. SHIB is doing its own thing on the weekends, usually going up. So that makes an ideal time to buy. Like Thursday is a good time to get in too, right? Thursday and Friday, good time. Yeah, Friday's the best day. Friday, get in on Friday, and you make some nice gains. With Monday being relatively stable compared to prior weekend, it's a good time to sell your holdings. There you go. So if you want to do some flipping, that's kind of the move right there. Interesting. All right, let's bounce back over. All right, still consolidating. Good to see. We're at the 1 minute sticks here on SHIB. Massive gains here if you're just popping in. Massive gains here in the past couple hours. Top of the morning. We bounce over here, make sure I didn't hit any. Okay, just want to make sure I didn't miss any chats. Thank you all so much for popping in. Hit the subscribe button if you're new too. That'd be awesome. Number of holders. I'd like to refresh this, see if we're at 649,000. We are. Okay, so 649,000. We just crossed over. We're gaining holders here this morning too, so a lot of people jumping into SHIB, seeing the price action. Love it. Did you get your referral reward on Weeble, Zach? Boca, I think I did. Did you get on there, Boca? I think I did get some kind of referral there. Appreciate that. Yeah, there is some nice referral links in the description too, and I don't have my Weeble one posted, but it is on my Twitter, so head over there if you want that. I called Ada hitting 3 that day. You did, Tyler. You definitely did. Being Mosa, yeah, looking great, man. Minosa, looking great. SHIB is looking great. Look at that pump. Trading volume way up. Love to see it. Let's refresh this, make sure that's accurate. Okay, here we go. 1 minute sticks. Maybe a little upward trend here forming again after a brief consolidation here. Let's watch here. See what happens. Now the technicals, let's pull this out real quick. Technicals showing a buy here in the 1 day. What about the 4 hour? 4 hour strong buy. 2 hour strong buy. 1 hour. How about right now? 1 minute is a buy, 5 minute strong buy. So everything is checking out right now. The moving averages are looking great right now for SHIB. Look at Austin. What's up, man? Another liftoff, maybe. Hopefully, huh? Hopefully we get another liftoff. That'd be nice. Austin is in the house. Now we have to burn some coins. Well, they're doing that thing now with new listings. I hope they continue to do that. Require new listings to burn. I think it was, what, 25,000 SHIB, 25,000 leash. I like that. Every new pairing to Shiba Swap, they should make them burn. I agree. I love it. I think that's a brilliant idea. Austin's calling me. Should I answer it? Let's answer it. I'm going to put him on speaker here. What's up? I'm live.
Did you answer?
I did answer.
On my computer. I'm live with you, man.
You're live right now too?
No, I'm live with you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Here, let me put the. I got it on speaker. I'll put you close to my mic. So, what do you think this is, Austin? Do you think this is just institutional money coming in, or what's going on?
Oh man, put me on the spot. I think it is the overall market's moving up. I think SHIB's moving up. I did a video earlier today. Is Doge moving up? I didn't even look. Doge and SHIB were moving up the same, you know? Pull up Doge real quick. Is Doge moving up?
Dogecoin is moving up, yep. Not as much as SHIB, but it's up about 4%.
Yeah, so I think we got some big money moving in. To see the candlesticks, I'm looking. I've muted you on my computer, but I can see what you got. Is that a minute view? What is that?
Yeah, this is a minute view right here. So we kind of consolidated at 7.5 for a minute, but here we go. I mean, we're heading up again. So we topped out at 768 level. So that's the kind of level we're watching here. It's at 764. If we break through that, that's, you know, our latest resistance here. We're right on it.
Zoom out to the hour view real quick.
Yep. Here's your 1 hour.
View real quick. I just want to see the candlesticks on an hour.
Look at that first one.
Yeah. See, to me that is that's institutional money.
I mean, look at that volume, right? I mean, and the question I had, and I don't know if we can tell. I don't know if we can get this information. But the whole Coinbase institutional, I keep going back to that thing. Why did that happen rather than the retail side? And like, you know, is there a way for us to like look at data on Coinbase institutional? I mean, I've checked it before. I haven't been able to see anything.
Not that I'm aware of, no.
Okay. I know Trina has looked at it too. I know Trina's on the live stream. But I agree with you, man. I mean, there's no way retail money can do this.
No, it's not. That's not individuals. That's a concerted. That's a lot of volume coming in at one time. You can't get that massive of a candlestick, and two of them, by the way. It looks like that big one, and then another one following right after it. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So no, that's a whale. That's either a whale with a tremendous, which I don't think one whale could do that volume. I think it's institutional money.
Yeah, we're refreshing like new holders. Like it's going up like, you know, steadily, but it's not like we're getting 2,000 new holders, right? So if we saw this number go from like 648,000 holders to 651,000 in the last hour, then I think we could say, okay, maybe it is just a bunch of retail investors coming in at once. But we're not seeing that. So I mean, we're seeing a steady increase, and it's probably people jumping in because they see what's going on right now. So I think that even provides more evidence to say that it is whales / institutional money.
Yeah, I think you just nailed it with the Etherscan. You know, you're looking at live holders there. There's not a 2,000 retail bump, and that's just not how it works anyway. We don't get 2,000 new people in an hour. You know what I mean? It just doesn't work that way.
Exactly.
So yeah, it's an institutional money, period, end of story. Dude, you're crushing it, man. You got 400 people. They all knew I got on here, and now they're all jumping on.
That's it, man. They said you did a video, and then I went live. They thought I like timed it up. I was like, no, I was going to do a video, and literally I pulled up TradingView, and that thing started going crazy. I was like, well, screw it. I'm going live.
Yeah, and I'm doing the right call. I was doing the video. I was doing my video, and then it started going up like 2 or 3%. I'm like, see, it's all because of me. And then I stopped the video, and then I like, you texted me, and I'm like, damn, it's moving up. So it's good stuff.
Yep. Yeah. So it's selling off a little bit here in the 1 minute again. We'll see if it hits our line of support, like the 7.5, 6. It didn't get past that 7.68, so that's still the high point. But I mean, I'd be okay even if it consolidated here at the 7.5. I'd be fine with that.
Yeah, the only real issue I have with institutional money moving in is that are they pumping to pump up, and then are we going to see a sell off? You know, that's my only mild concern, to be kind of the voice of reason in the room. You know, but I mean, look, that movement that you're looking at right there is not enough to really, you know, impact it that much per se. I think. So basically, I'm just agreeing with you. I'm hoping that we've established a new line of support at that level. We'll see. You know.
So did you see this article that came out? Investor Place, like they always cover SHIB, but this is pretty interesting. So I got it up on screen. I know you probably have it muted. Maybe there's a little bit of a delay, but check this out. So Yahoo Finance compiled some interesting pricing data showing when SHIB moves up. So like what days where it's in the green versus which days it's flat versus which days, you know, it's down. So Monday, it's kind of flat. Tuesday, it's down about 3% on average. Wednesday, up 5.22%. Thursday, down 2.45. Friday is the big downturn, down 4.53. But then look at Saturday, Sunday. So most cryptocurrencies tend to like sell off on the weekend. At least kind of that's the narrative. But SHIB does the opposite, which is kind of interesting.
Weird. Yeah. Yeah, there was another piece of content I talked about in my video today. There was a price prediction that I saw that pull up the right there. Go to SHIBA INU. No, I need to go. Just go to the CoinMarketCap SHIBA INU page, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And I'll give you guys a free price prediction that I saw this morning. It's interesting. Just pull up a CoinMarketCap tab.
Okay, I'm here.
Oh, there's black. You do the black. Mine's white. That's why I was like, what the hell am I looking at here? Okay.
I like the night vision, man. It's better on my eyes.
when you're in your 50s and your eyes suck, you like the white version. Okay. So the 7 sitting in the millionth spot. Obviously, we're pumping right now. It's good stuff. Yep. So the price prediction there was 2 price predictions in this piece of content I highlighted. One was saying that within a year we would get to highlight the 0 over there. We'd move over a 0, go to a 1, go to a 1.9. They said within a year, which which doesn't sound like a lot, but that's 175% increase from where our current levels are.
Yeah, that's a good call. Yeah, and I mean the thing is too, like the way SHIB moves. I mean, you know, you get a couple, you know, days. I mean, this is just a couple hours what it can do. A couple days and, you know, I mean, it could take off. I just hope that, like you said, we don't get those major pump and dumps. We need to get to one of those pumps, and then I love those long consolidation periods after a pump. I think that's healthy.
Well, yeah, because the consolidation establishes support, right? That's really what you're after. And the only concern I have, and I know you and I've talked about it, is we tend to see some kind of a sell off after we get any kind of a somewhat decent move up, and it's just whether or not how it sells off just a little bit and reconsolidates. You know, because I still think we got a lot of paper hands holding this thing. We got a lot of investors that don't really understand that they can make higher, bigger, better, badder returns if they would just hold longer, you know?
Yep.
And they tend to see those little short movements, and then they sell off.
What do you think about, I know we kind of both did videos on this, and we're seeing here selling off a little bit here in the 1 minute. But what do you think about the whole NFT OpenSea news, that you can use SHIB on OpenSea, and then more macro kind of, where do you see SHIB fitting into the NFT space? I feel like that's an area where we often overlook, and it's an area that I think they can really do a lot in.
You talking about as currency?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, my attitude's real simple, right? I know I've told you this. If we get it anywhere that that SHIBs use as currency, it establishes further legitimacy and further, further legitimacy to SHIB. Period. I think the NFT space is obviously massive, booming, going to continue to do more and more and more, and I think it's just. But I think it's a good thing. Yeah, ironically, nobody really noticed it, except for those like us that are really paying attention.
Yep.
I think that if it evolves as a currency in some form or fashion, I know it's going to be a currency in its own ecosystem. And I had somebody say that the SHIB NFT, the 10,000 Shiba Inu NFTs had launched today, and I was like, "Holy hell!" And I went and looked; they hadn't, because that could be an interesting scenario to see if that impacts anything. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So, I mean, we still have a tremendous amount of supply out there, and I've talked about the burn stuff and all that. We'll see if that, I still think that the devs have got to come up with creative ways to do burns that are more on a go forward basis. I mean, you look at, like, for example, and I'm not trying to compare Shiba Inu to Ethereum, but look at what's happening with Ethereum now that we have this kind of, we have this burn mechanism in place related to Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum is we all know what's going on with that. I mean, there's more going on with Ethereum, but I'm just talking about it in the context of a burn,
Yep, I agree.
So,
I agree. Yeah, we're selling off a little bit here. I got the 1 minute candlesticks going here. Well, we're coming back here on the last minute. Maybe pumping back up here. So we're still sitting in the 7.5 level. This is good. I mean, I think.
Tell anybody? Did you tell your people that we're creating our little course to give away for free for people to join the?
That's a good call. I haven't said anything. So basically, here's what we're doing. So part of the new insider package. So if you're already an insider, you'll get this no matter what. But part of the insider package is going to have a crypto course, a free course that you get with being an insider. So if you're not a Patreon member yet, that's coming soon. We've been talking about that. Also, one thing I did today, Austin, that's really cool, and somebody in my Discord gave me this idea, and maybe we kind of work this in. We'll talk more about this, but doing more kind of, AMA, Ask Me Anything events inside the Discord, just for the private community. So I hopped on, like there's a little voice channel. I just hung out and put my phone on, and while I was kind of editing a video, and 4 or 5 different members in the Discord, I got to know them, a little bit better, kind of what they're doing. So that's been a kind of a cool thing. I think I'm going to do more of that. But yeah, do you want to add anything more to the course?
Well, it's going to be, so basically Zach and I, you guys know that Zach and I are really good friends. We collaborate a lot. We both have our respective channels. And so we're coming together to create, we saw a need in the market, and the need is basically a kind of a crypto trading for beginners and media, kind of, not necessarily beginners, but just a crypto trading course, and like how to do it the right way, how to take profits, how to structure a portfolio the right way, just kind of stuff like that. And so we were toying with the idea of creating it and selling it, and as outside of of everything. And then we're like, you know what? I think this would be really, really cool if we just gave it away for free to people who join the inner circle and join your insider group, join our Patreon as a value add, because at the end of the day, we want to help as many people as we can, and we want to help those that really want help, right? And that's where we can do that. We do our best work in our respective private communities, and so we just decided to create it and give it away for free to those people inside of our groups. So,
Yeah, that's going to be cool. That's going to definitely be cool. So be on the lookout for that for sure. We're going to put that together. Probably be 10, 15 videos, probably something like that. So nice, short, concise kind of what you need to know, some different exit strategies, that sort of info.
Yeah, just how to do it the right way. I mean, because a big part of what I know you do in your respective Patreon and I do is it's individualized help, looking at people's portfolios and looking at, hey, I see you got a good good basis, but you may want to pick up this one or that one. Like I had a member this morning, Zach, that had like 35 different coins and tokens they were in, but they were so spread out with like $20 and $50 in each one of them. Like, that's all fine, but you need to consolidate and you need to add more of this bigger one over here and more of this bigger one over here to really kind of beef up your portfolio on a go forward basis, and that's the kind of stuff I love doing. And also a course would kind of teach, I think, the proper ways to structure a portfolio, that kind of thing. So.
That's a really good point. I see that too quite a bit, and it's like, you want to have enough of whatever asset you believe in to when it does go up that you really see those gains, right? Because you're going to be kicking yourself if you throw $50 at something you really like rather than, say you have $500 to spend and you spread that across 10 different assets. You're probably better off picking two and putting 250, or maybe just one, right?
Yeah. And I get that a lot. Like, I get people that'll ask me, everybody knows that I love Ethereum and Cardano, and I know you do too, right? So I have somebody that'll come to me and go, I have $500. Should I just put it all into Ethereum? I'm like, well, let's talk about that. Why are you thinking about doing that? Why don't you diversify? Why don't you split it down the middle and put some into Cardano and into Ethereum? And so, A, you're hedging your bet. B, you're diversifying. And by the way, it's just two big ones. As an example, I'm only using that as one example. But there's different ways, and I think it was very apparent when I've seen some of these portfolios, some of our members, which is cool that they have all these different coins. But you hit the nail on the head. Like one of them, he had one Axie, and he bought it like when it was $12, but he's made like $60 on that, or 70. Now it's up in the 90s, which is crazy.
Yeah, I was going to ask you about that. Speaking of that,
hey, that wasn't me. I got to say the words. That was Nutsack that turned me on to that one.
I know. I'm kicking myself that I didn't jump on board with it, but I mean, that's the other thing too. I think you can get caught up in like kicking yourself for not getting in that one. I mean, the money that I would have put in Axie, I put in Cardano when it was $1.02, $1.03. So I mean, I didn't lose in that situation, but I wish I would have opened up a position in Axie too.
Well, like, I'm glad you brought that up. Like, I've been very upfront. Like, I came out with a video yesterday about Phantom, and I actually learned about Phantom a little bit by you. You did a YouTube short on it that kind of got it on my radar. Pull Phantom up real quick on CoinMarketCap.
Yeah.
But my point to you is this, and I'm really saying this to you, but I'm also saying it to people that are with us, is that here's the thing, guys. You're not going to catch every single one. You're not going to catch one. Like, we all, Sol is up. Solana is just crushing it. And I missed Solana. You and I did. I mean, I remember a conversation you and I had when Solana was around $20 or $30.
Yep.
And we're like, man, we should have, we should have got into Solana, right? And we didn't. So I'm the first to come, and I know you're the same. I'm the first to get on to talk about it in a video going, I freaking missed out on Solana. I missed it. I didn't get into it, Yep. And so here's why I'm bringing us to Phantom. And for those of you guys watching, guys, Zach kind of got on my radar with Zach. I looked at it. Then I kind of dug into it more, and I looked at this, and when I did some research, I found out that the ownership of Phantom are offering $250 million in Phantom tokens to the development community for people to come and develop more projects on Phantom. And so it's the number one. It's really hot in DeFi, blockchain, etc. So to me, I look at Phantom as an example of I missed Solana, so now maybe I can go do like a Phantom. And my point of it with all of this is you're not going to catch every one. You're just not.
Right.
And you got to look and find the quality ones. This keyword being quality. The quality ones where you can maybe take a position in it. Like Axie or Phantom. And you're not going to catch every one. And if you try to, you're going to kill yourself trying to catch every one.
And if I could add on like a little piece there too, I mean, I think this is a great conversation to have. And it's like, you know, when you're going fishing per se, right, for the next, you know, phantom or what have you, it's really, really nice to have that backbone in your portfolio when you already have Ethereum, you already have Cardano, right? That's making up the bulk of your portfolio, so you can take those risks a little easier. You can take those chances, right? You could cast that line out and see what you can catch, versus trying to do that from day one and not having that backbone. I think a lot of people make that mistake, especially early investors. Would you agree?
Yeah, that's some gold. I got to write that down. We got to put that in the course.
I know, right?
Hold on. Have ETH. I know. Have backbone. There you go.
Yep.
Whatever you said. Backbone for confidence. There you go. All right, I got that. You know.
That's it, man.
Yeah.
And you know, I think new people sometimes get this, you know, idea that they've got to hit the next Dogecoin and that's where they've got to dump all their money. And it's, you know, if you're getting into it for that and that only, just know that you're gambling. You're not really investing, right?
I 1,000,000% agree. And I think we see that over and over and over again in crypto, especially. And you guys know I love SHIBA, I love Doge, etc. But I mean, this is the type of coin token that attracts people trying to get rich in the next 10 minutes. And you and I have both been very upfront saying, if you're looking at it that way, you're kind of looking at it the wrong way, you know?
Right.
To me, it's just a part of my overall portfolio. And by the way, not the biggest part. Ethereum and ADA and, you know, Axie and some of these other big players are bigger. I have bigger holdings in those.
Yep.
You know.
Yep, and that's what I stress to all the time. I mean, we say a lot of the similar things. It's Ethereum, Cardano for me, 1, 2, and then Polygon is right there with VeChain, right? And those are and Bitcoin. I mean, those are kind of the 5 that it's like, okay, now I can go ahead and take the chances. Now I can go ahead and take a stab at I don't know. Let's see here. Let me roll through. Now I can take a stab at Chili's. I could take a stab at Sandbox. I could take a stab at, right, what have you, insert coin here, right?
Yeah, and I think as long as, I agree, as long as every one of those stabs is not a brand new token that just came out 5 minutes ago. That's my only caveat.
Good point.
You know, and I see that a little bit too. And I mean, because we cover these tokens, and I think we tend to get a lot of new people into crypto, which is why I think it's almost part of our commitment to our respective audiences that we need to. I view it as like I need to spread that word of like, you know what? Don't own every single darn new token that just came out in the last 5 minutes. Own some Ethereum and ADA, and if you're going to do some speculative stuff, you know, do speculative stuff where you go buy a Phantom or a Saya coin or a whatever, you know, and then every now and then throw $50 at that new, you know, one that just is 5 minutes old, you know.
Yeah. I think we're providing some gold here this morning. So if you forgot to hit the like button, go ahead and do that for us. Helps us out tremendously. If you're not following Austin's channel and you're new to this channel, subscribe to both of our channels. We do some collaborations. We talk a lot about the same types of concepts, same principles, same tokens. So definitely do that. We'd love for you to join both of our channels, and then we both have our Patreon pages too if you want to come in on the inside of things as well. So awesome stuff, man.
Hey, pull up, go to CoinMarketCap real quickly. Pull up Polymath. I want to talk about it. Just
yeah.
My son's in the room.
Do you have a laptop for CG to play on?
No, I do not.
You don't have one?
No.
Does Mom have one?
You can go ask her. Well, she has a Mac.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Go ask her. She's got her other Mac. Go ask her. All right. Sorry. This is what happens when you're live. My son's trying on the laptop.
I love it.
So,
that's it, man.
Yeah, Polymath. This is another one, guys. I don't own this one yet. It's pumping. I mean, look at that game. That's insane.
That's wild. And it's ranked 122, so it's almost cracking the top 100 here.
It's moving up with a blistering pace, and so I didn't find this one. This one came via. I had some comments on a video yesterday. I looked at it this morning. I'm thinking about taking a position in this one because of what these guys do, the team behind them, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, this is nuts. I mean, look at the 7-day too. I mean, this is wild. This thing ran up like crazy. You go back September 3rd. This was 38 cents yesterday.
Yep.
So that's wild.
Running. And it's, I haven't completely done some due diligence, but they're basically kind of in the business of helping new tokens to launch.
Okay.
If that makes sense. And that's about the sum total of what I literally looked at them about 30 minutes ago, So, but they're pumping hard. And so I like them. You just got a super chat I'm sure you want to look at real quick.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I don't have my dual screen, so it's a little tough to get to the super chat. Robert, thanks for the super chat, man. I think I missed another one somewhere along the way. Let me bounce back over to that. So people are getting a glimpse of what it looks like on the backside of YouTube because I don't have my dual screen.
Yeah.
This is what we see when we're live. So thank you all for the likes too.
You're not at home. You're traveling. That's right.
Yeah. I'm on the road. So got a wedding tonight, so that should be fun. Should be some great food. Really good Italian restaurant here locally. So they got a big hall. It's gonna be a big time wedding. They've got a cigar bar all set up, so that should be some fun.
Cool.
But I'm trying to find the super chat here. So I think I got to everybody. Let me know if I missed a super chat. Please let me know that, and I'll get right to you. Oh, there it is, Robert. Okay, got you, man. Also, please check out Wrathcoin. Wrath with a W. Okay, we will look at that. Write that one down. You won't regret it. Please don't miss out. So there you go. Everybody take note there. Robert, thanks for the super chat. Wrathcoin. So there's one for everybody to check out. Enjoy the wedding. Thanks, Christine. Yeah, we'll do. Yeah, this is awesome, man. This is the most people I've had in the live stream in a while.
It's because I'm here.
It must be, man. That's the common denominator here.
Yeah, people like, it's like, Britney Spears and showed up and she showed up at a mall. Everybody calls like, oh my God, Britney Spears at the mall. I don't know. Hold that out of the air. I'll tell you what.
Love it, man.
Just moving down a little bit, huh?
Yeah, moving down a little bit here. 7.5. We got this next level of support. So last time it hit here, it bounced off. So we'll see if it does the same here. Looks like it is. Maybe. It's right on there. Yeah, this will be interesting to see where it kind of levels off at.
Well, like you said, I think you're nailing it. I just don't want to see. We want to see some consolidation, some support.
Is it USB anymore? How to control it too?
No, I have to look. It has to be a specific USB that's specific to that. I'm going to mute you. I'll be right back.
Okay. Etherscan. So let's take a look at this here. Etherscan, still 649,000. So that's good to see. So yeah, Polymath is another one. Everybody out there listening in, this is definitely one to take note of. Put this one on your watch list with 31,000 other people who've already done that, because this is definitely one that's getting close to that top 100. Definitely another one to check out. So it looks like we are bouncing off these support lines again. So this is good. See if we can bounce back up here. Thanks everybody for tuning in too. Everybody out there that's new, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you can. Hopefully you're enjoying the live chat here, live stream this morning. Got your coffee and breakfast with you maybe. We've got the Patreon page too. That link is pinned to the top chat. Let me know if you have any questions about that. We'd love for you to come over and join us over there. Great time to do that too, beginning of the month. So yeah, come on over and join us. Still at the 7.5 level, liking what I'm seeing. Let's bounce over here, make sure I'm not missing any super chats or anything. Let's see. Zach and Austin. Hey, what's up, Moni? How you doing? Michael, how we doing? What is up, everybody? This is awesome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go. What's up, Crazy James? How you doing, man? Superfly, what's up? Dan Tam, how we doing, man? This live is great. Bless up. Thanks, Herbert. Appreciate it, man. It's been making lower highs and lower lows. Looks like it has a big more to fall. Has a lot more to fall. Yeah, it's setting a lower low now. That's not good. We want this to retrace quickly. See, now it might free fall a little bit because we broke that little level of support. Any change to the holders? Yeah, we're up a little bit, 649,000. So up a little bit, but not so much to see this big pump. Okay, most of this pump is happening, I think, and Austin thinks too, from institutional money. This amount of volume, you just can't get this amount of volume with retail money. It's tough. Do you think AMP will ever come back up? I think so, Eric. I'm kind of torn right now on AMP. I'm still holding a small bag of AMP, but there are some things that concern me with AMP too. The technical analysis, which I don't know a ton about, but I do watch people who are very versed in that, and they are not saying that the technicals look good. They're not checking out the tokenomics. Same thing there. Not a great story. But the bullish news on AMP is collateral tokens will be a thing in the crypto space. They're going to be important. It is a top 100 crypto, and the Flexa network I think is super legit. So, it has some bearish and bullish cases, but that's kind of where I am on AMP right now. It's just kind of middling interest, and I have some still, but not a lot.
Ooh, Zach term, middling. You heard it here.
You like that?
Yeah, that was nice. Middling.
Are you still holding? Are you still holding AMP?
I am, but it's not. But I am seriously thinking about selling it. Honestly, cards on the table to use the cash for something else.
Yep, I am too.
I believe in it. I think long term, it's there. It's just not doing anything right now.
Yep, I agree. And I was telling them, like, I think we could say the same for both of us. We're not huge into TA. Like we know a little bit, enough to be somewhat dangerous. But I was watching people who are really into the TA, and it doesn't look good for AMP on that side of things.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, like you and I talked about, I defer to smarter people in the room when it comes to TA. I know enough to be dangerous, but I'm always looking at somebody else like you and I both do from a TA analysis standpoint who's smarter than me. Yeah.
Yep.
So.
Selling off a little bit here, man, but we'll see.
Yeah, I'm watching it on CoinMarket. It's up 3.5%. So, which again, you never really know. You got a super chat just came through, by the way.
Oh, Jeremy, he says, why are institutions buying today? They know something. Maybe it's just a weekend thing. What do you think? Like the stock market's closed and they got some money to burn and crypto's open? I don't know.
Yeah, the answer is there's no way in heck we can know. Really, that's the answer. This could be one or two whales doing some concerted movement but I mean that's a ton of volume. I think it's bigger than that, and I think what you saw was them, coming in and making some money, and then now maybe selling off. Although the candlestick action doesn't really show that to me. I mean, this is just a little bit more of a. To me, what I see is, I see whales came in and bought, institution came in and bought, and now you see individual retail investors seeing the spike, and you see this is individual retail investors selling off.
I agree. Yeah, I agree.
That's what that seems to me. Because institutional money, think of it this way: institutional money is large blocks, i.e., large candlesticks. So you see large blocks of volume. When you see small candlesticks, that's not institutional money. That's retail money moving out or moving in.
Yep, I agree. Anthony, you're going to be happy to hear this. Anthony, one of our moderators in the chat, he asked me if I ever got my uphold issues sorted out. I bought XRP today. $500 worth. I'm in. So we'll see what happens. I'm willing to take a risk, and if it dips a little bit, I'm willing to add a little bit more. I think the risk is worth the reward with it, and I'll let you get to that XRP note in a minute, but Bobby's got a super chat. Bobby, thanks for the super chat. SHIB has solid fundamentals with SHIBA swap and an L2 solution in development. Of course, that's Shibarium. Please discuss. Doge has payments. SHIB has much more. Yeah, Bobby, it's interesting.
Hey, Zach, I got to go, man. I got a buddy here to help me with some stuff. You guys enjoy glad I could hang out with you guys. Y'all enjoy, and y'all join Zach's Patreon, man. He's a good dude, and he helps you out. I'll see you later, Zach. I'll call you later, dude.
Okay, thanks, Austin. Yeah, and if you guys don't subscribe to Austin's channel, go over and make sure you do that. He's got a great Patreon too, so thank you for that, Austin. Appreciate you, man. Bobby, yeah, SHIB has much more. You're right. I mean, they have a lot more things in the work, but now with the Dogecoin Foundation, I think they're going to have a lot more things in the work as well. And there are some rumors out there with Dogecoin, with possibly partnering up with Ethereum. Right, I keep looking at that. Right, why would Vitalik Buterin get involved with Dogecoin? I mean, really, what's the motivation there? If there's no benefit to Ethereum, why would he do it? Otherwise, it's just a competitor. So I think there's going to be some kind of collaboration with Dogecoin and Ethereum somewhere down the line. That's my inclination. That's my 2 cents on it. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Also, hit the like button if you haven't. If you're just popping in for the first time, SHIB with a big run up today, selling off a little bit right now, but still a nice pop in the price. So this has been fun hanging out with everybody, and hopefully you're getting some value out of this. Great conversation there with Austin too. Another super chat. Let's see here. John Hilborn, thanks for the super chat, man. Thank you for the $5 super sticker. Appreciate it, man. Let's see the overall market here. Take a look at what's going on. Overall down actually 0.76%. So BTC back below 550K. Ethereum still at 3.9. So Cardano at 288. It's not a bad price point in my opinion at this point. I'd watch that very closely. That might be a good opportunity to add on to your position there if you're into ADA. So check that out there. Solana is above Dogecoin in market cap. For those of you wondering there, 7 and 8 as flip-flop there. Litecoin looking good today. Let's bounce back over to SHIB. So slowly falling here at the 7.4 level. Hopefully we can start consolidating somewhere in these 0.74, 0.75 range. That'd be nice. It's falling because Austin left. I hear you. Why is it not going up? I know, it's a good question. I wish I had the answer. But if you're just popping in, and we did go over this earlier, so check this out. According to pricing data compiled from Yahoo Finance, look at this data below. Represents the daily percentage gain and loss averages by day of the week for SHIB. Saturday and Sunday, the weekends, look great. Wednesday's the best day, 5.22%. These are the days where it's down, Thursday and Friday and Tuesday. Monday's relatively flat, up slightly, 0.19. So interesting stuff there. Tyler, thanks for the super chat, man. What is up with those fees? I went to sell off AMP. It was $750 fees, and I only had $650 in AMP. That is insane, man. That is wild. Where were those fees at, Tyler? Thank you for the super chat. Bro, please Google Floki Inu and open its website. Elon Musk's own Shiba Inu. Interesting. Maybe Rana, maybe. Floki Inu, that came after he tweeted about Floki, right? I don't want to Google Floki right now, but I know about it. It's a risky play. Thank you for the super chat, Reina. Elon Musk owning SHIB. Of course, that is very speculative, but who knows? I mean, we don't know. We don't know who owns it. So, and thank you for the super chat. Appreciate that. ETH fees for trading. Wow, that's wild, Tyler. That's insane. Yeah, that's me. I like 0.001 as an exit strategy, at least to take some gains. I like that, actually. ETH may get over 4K again today. Also, yeah, these fees are insane. Kevin, it got over 4K yesterday. I don't know if you saw that. It did get over 4K yesterday. Oh, it's bouncing back here. SHIB is pumping back up here. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I think a lot of people have that 0.001 number in mind. Superfly, it's a good question. I think Webull will take some time to get wide adoption, but I think today is just institutional money coming in. But I think there's obviously new retail money coming in too. Frank, you're not going to get in with that kind of language, man. Keep it PG, brother. What about VTHO? I like it, Mix. Gas fees are crazy right now, so be aware. Uh-oh, here comes SHIB pumping back up. What's going on here? These are 1 minute sticks here after the big pump. Look at that volume that came in a couple hours ago, over the past hour or so. That is nuts. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We'd love for you to join us, stay with us for a while here on the channel. That'd be great. Did a couple of other live streams this morning. We're going to do a lot more lives. This is a little longer one with Shiba Inu pumping, but we're going to do a lot of crypto live Q&As, crypto news today, breaking news, live updates. Of course, we'll do some videos too still, but this is kind of a, trying out a new approach to the channel. So hopefully you're getting some value. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel too. No camera. Yeah, no camera right now. Usually I do. With all these new investors, why is circulating supply of SHIB staying the same? Well, because they've got to put some more burn mechanisms in place. How come you're hiding behind the screen today, Superfly? Yeah, I'm on the road, so internet's a little shaky. But yeah, I'm here. I'm still here. Zach, when do you think Coinbase will go live with SHIB? Your guess is as good as mine, Deanne. I hope, Deanne and Dean, I hope soon. I hope very soon. It is live on Coinbase Institutional, though. So that's the weird thing. Why they went that route first, I don't know. But I do think it'll be listed on Coinbase in due time. Expected price by the end of the year, it's going to have a lot to do with where the market is and if and when Coinbase and Robinhood list it. But I do think we can knock out a 0, see where the 07 is here. I think we can get to a 2-0 in this category at least, which I think would be a nice boost. So we're back consolidating here briefly here for the last couple minutes. See if we can bounce off this here. VET, I like VET. I think Coinbase is waiting to see what other platforms do. Maybe, William. But why would Coinbase, a big platform, wait for what other people do? Shouldn't they be a trailblazer? Shouldn't they do things first? I don't know. That's my opinion. Coinbase next year, maybe. All right, Christian. Probably around all-time high by year end. That would be nice, Kevin. I think that's possible. What's up? Let's move, Shiba. Nice. What's up, Mark? Yeah, Superfly. Those price predictions are wild, man, for Axie. Just insane. I don't even know. I should probably get into it even though it's late, but yeah, it's crushing it. It's crushing it. I do, Munoz. I do think Coinbase and Robinhood will make that much of a difference. I do. Coinbase is enormous. Robinhood lends itself perfectly. I mean, look how much money Robinhood made on Dogecoin. It's outrageous. So I think SHIB could be just as big as that, if not bigger. I mean, it's cheaper. It's going to be more attractive to those type of investors. When they start burning, they already are doing some things with burning, right? Of course, you can stake on Shiba Swap. That is another opportunity you have to take coins out of the circulating supply. But they have started the burning mechanisms with new pairings on Shiba Swap. They're making people burn SHIB and Leash in order to be paired on Shiba Swap. I'm holding till 2025 too, Christian. I'm with you. I am with you, bro. I'm with you 100%. Real quick, too, we've got our Patreon page. Come on over and join us. We'd love to have you. We've got the $10 and $20 per month package. That is linked up here. That little link right there, that'll take you right there. SHIB has solid fundamentals with Shiba Swap. Bobby, thanks for the super chat. Thank you, my friend. Oh, that's catching up. SHIBA growing slowly. Yeah, Tapper. Slow grow. I'll take it. I'll take it. Hey, been watching for a while. Very days info. Thanks, is holding shot. Thanks, Jason. Long game. That's it, Trina. Pump and hodl. Tyler, you got it, man. That's my poster that you made, brother. Appreciate that. Bought lots of Doge when it was 0.8, selling all when it goes 0.717. Now regret not holding. Mix, I feel your pain, bro. I bought a ton when it was 1 cent and sold it 7 cents. I thought I was brilliant. I was like, oh, I just 7x'd my money. Yeah, I could have 70x'd my money if I'd have waited till it hit 70 cents. What are you going to do? Can't win them all. Slow grow is better than pump and dump. I agree, Tyler. I agree. Patience, SHIBA peeps. Yep. If you forgot to hit the like button, it's totally free to do. Best way to give back to the channel, too. Would appreciate that. Subscribe, too, if you're new. Light up the chat if you're new here. New subscribers, light up the chat. I want to hear from you. Welcome you into the community. I want to show you the this channel here real quick, too. Kind of show you my vision for what I'm going to be doing more of. Kind of, you know, what to look out for on the channel. Zach sounds a little bit tired. Yeah, I drove yesterday. I'm a little bit tired, but I'm okay. Charles Hoskinson's live. There you go. Don't leave just yet, though. Okay. I am a little tired. I was traveling yesterday, so, you know. But, okay. So, we're live right here, obviously. But this is kind of what I'll be doing more of. Crypto live Q&A, crypto news, updates, these quick live streams, quick hitters. I will still be putting out videos, too. But I want to do more of these live streams. They're fun. And I like interacting in real time. So, also, we're going to be doing a lot more live AMAs over on the Patreon, just for private Discord members only. Discord Patreon members only, too. So, all right, so SHIB still at the 745. Looks like we're finding some support here. Where do you buy SHIB? You can get it a bunch of different places. Voyager, Crypto.com, MetaMask, Webull has it, eToro, all kind of places now. It's out there. Bigo, what's up, man? Where is the pump? It's here. This was the pump. That's where it started, down in here. So yeah, we pumped and now we're selling off a little bit, but this is kind of what the overall outlook looks like today. Maybe we get another pump here. That'd be nice. 400 likes. Did we get there? That's awesome. Almost. Let's get there. Let's get to 400 likes. Smash the like button. Help us get to 400. I don't know how close we are. Oh, we're close. 378. We should be able to get there. Let's check out holders. 469063, 086. They're going up. The numbers are going up. What about VThor token if you're invested in VeChain? Abel, I like the idea. Right now I'm just in VeChain. Thank you for the super chat. $5 super chat. I like VThor. I think it's totally fine if you want to be invested in both. But if you're going to pick one, I'd pick VeChain. In my opinion. I hear you, Superfly. That's why it's better just to hold, right? Sometimes, well, a lot of the times, less is more, right? Trying to do a lot of trades and swapping, you end up kicking yourself. Crypto's crazy. I bought Polymath and it went down. I had to sell it in a loss. And I check again 5 hours and it went up like crazy. This market's totally unpredictable. Yeah, Samir, you're right. Working its way to being oversold. MACD pushing. Nice. That's good. I'd be okay if it, hangs out here 7.4, 7.5 for a while, and then pushes back up into the 8s, you know, later on another pump. That'd be nice. Nice, Munoz. Very nice. See anything else going on right now in the market? Matic is crushing it. Look at Polygon right now. Look at the pump on Matic. That is sweet. Dogecoin, it's still up a little bit, 30 cents. Okay. ICP's moving up too. Selling off a little bit here. Axie selling back off a little bit, but it's still up. Rarable's another one today. I don't know why those charts are all messed up, but this one is crushing it. Let's go to the 1 hour here. There we go. There's Rari. Rarable. Wow. Big pump. Audio. It's been moving up. Very cool. Very good, very good. XRP, dude. Yeah, I'm in XRP now. So let's go. 127. It's moving up. Going down a little bit right now, but I like where it's heading. VeChain, I've got my VeChain on crypto.com. SafeMoon, you should be able to get it to SafeMoon wallet coming Sunday, but you can also get SafeMoon over at PancakeSwap. ADA XRP waiting to explode. Yeah, I've got both of them now, Tyler. VeChain is on Voyager. There you go. Yeah, VeChain is a few places. Voyager, and I've got mine on crypto.com. Love me some XRP. Nice, Mark. Matic is showing good positive movement. Yeah, definitely. Anthony, you don't need to make a lot. You just need to do it often. 10%, 10 days in a row, and you're doubling your money every 10 days. XRP rules. Got Magic right before this pump. Nice. How much? Oh, you got Matic. Nice, Jacob. How much XRP do you have? I just bought 500 bucks worth today. That's my opening spot. So we'll see what happens. Ooh, Bitcoin's back up above 50. Yeah, Andrew, I'm in. I'm in. From the UK, Zach, I always watch your content. We'll be joining the Patreon real soon. Nice, Lee. Thanks, man. Glad you're enjoying it. Glad you're learning, and glad I'm adding value, man. That's what it's all about. That's what I'm trying to do on the channel. So you can also, if you guys want, if you don't want to leave to go to the Patreon, this join button, you can become a member right here on the tube. A couple different options there too. So you got that options, those options. But I really appreciate all the support. We're getting close to 17K. What a wild ride. I started back in May talking about crypto. My first ever video on crypto was like May 19th. And I think I had like 40 subscribers. Before I started talking about crypto, I was kind of talking about books and, you know, ways to kind of help people grow in life. And I kind of stuck to that mantra, but we're growing portfolios. But we still have the constant growth banner up there because we want to grow in all facets of life. I mean, that's what it's all about. So, but of course, everybody likes making money too. So now it's a crypto channel, which I'm totally cool with. I love crypto. We can do that. So thank you all, you know, for the support. Anybody who's been here since day one, I truly, truly appreciate you, and very grateful. Anybody who's out there who hasn't subscribed, would much appreciate you doing so. I think you'll get a ton of value from our channel here, and if you decide to join our Patreon, you'll get value there too. And I think any Patreon member in the chat will tell you. I know I've learned a ton from other people in our community. It's amazing. What's Tesla up to? Tesla's at 733. Okay. Apple's pushing up still, huh? I've got some Apple at like 120. Got a few shares of Apple at 120. It's at 154. I like that. Got my Tesla too in the 600s. I'm at 630 on Tesla. Got a few shares of that. So I like that. Tesla and Apple, by the way, two of my favorites. These are my 3 favorites right here. Netflix, Tesla, and Apple. That's why I got them right there. On the stock market side of things, if you're interested in that, I know we're predominantly crypto. RSI is moving up. Yeah, I saw that. Sinkholds VeChain. How much Solana do you own? None, Jota. And I missed it. Yeah, I missed it. But yeah, it is what it is. I put a ton of money, you know, at that time into Ethereum and Cardano, and they're both doing well too. So I appreciate all the love, all the tips. Appreciate everybody out there. Really, thank you. Thank you so much. This is cool. Hanging out on a Saturday morning. Is it still the morning? Actually, afternoon, I guess, on my side. What about LC? What do you get in? LCID. Is that Lucid? If it's Lucid on the electric vehicle side, I like NIO, Lucid, and Tesla. Those are my favorite 3. Oh, the German company, too. I own some of that. Fisker. I own some Fisker. United Airlines did me good. Nice, Tyler. Yeah, I bet. That thing sold off like crazy when everything happened in 2020. It's a good call. It's night here. Nice, Christian. Don't miss the pump on Rev. All right, all right. Rev. Axie Infinity is trending with Ethereum and baby USDT. I don't know what the heck that is. Morning in Denver. Nice, Jacob. We are oversold, peeps. Nice, Rick. Oversold right now on SHIBs. Let's bounce back to SHIB here. Where is SHIBA? We don't want that one. We want the other version. I don't want that one. I guess that's fine. Yeah, it's the 1 hour. Yes, we're good. So this is the SHIB 1 hour charts here. After the big pump, we're selling back off a little bit here. Oops. We are oversold though, so we should be able to consolidate in here. Get ready for the next pump. All right, y'all, I'm going to head out of here. Thank you all so much for the likes. New subscribers, do subscribe if you haven't already, and you're heading out. Hit that notification bell so you know every time we go live, every time we put out another video. Usually my face is on here too, but today I've got it hidden because I just want to make sure my internet stays stable. Thanks so much for the super chats. Everybody out there, thank you. Have a great rest of your weekend, long weekend. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon. Take care. See you, everybody.